Welcome to Dancing with Tech. Today we're going to be talking about the Samsung Galaxy Flip phone, or some people may call it the clamshell. Whatever, it doesn't matter. But don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and like, and let me know what you think about this video. Now, there was a hands-on video on Twitter by Ben Giskin. I don't say his name right. He posted a vibrant hands-on video, and this thing looks so beautiful and shiny and glossy. This one-of-a-kind flip phone is jam-packed with a 6.7 display screen with a resolution of 1080p. Now, the back camera is 12 megapixel with an ultra-wide angle lens from the S20 series. Now, the front camera will be delivering with 10 megapixel. The processor that comes with the phone is Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 with an octa-core of 2960 megahertz. Also, the storage space that comes with this sandwich phone is 256 megabytes with a battery of 330 milliwatt. Now, rumor prices is anywhere range between $1,200 to $1,400 for this flip phone, much cheaper than the other foldable phone. Also, you can stay tuned for more information because Samsung will be hosting their Unpacked event on February 11th. And this phone is rumored to come out on February the 14th, but we won't know anything until Samsung make an official announcement. So all these specs and speculation, take everything with a grain of salt because there's tons of rumors and speculations, and some may be true or not true, but I'm pretty confident a lot of information has been discovered is very true. So just stay tuned for the Samsung Unpacked event. Also too, I don't want you guys to forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and stay tuned because I will be getting the phone device itself, and I'm gonna be doing a test and review. So stay tuned for that. Stay tuned for that, and I shall see you guys next time.